guys, I am doing a mystery box challenge today, and it is the Trade My Stash mystery box challenge. So I have my boxes and I'm going to open them with you guys, and then let's see what I'm going to be working with. So the person who sent me my boxes today was Liz from More Decal and Decor. I'm super excited to open these boxes. She does amazing DIYs, and so I cannot wait to see what she had in her stash that she decided to send me. So let's see what's in these boxes. So she sent me two boxes. One box, she said, has something fragile in it, and so she packaged that separately. So this is a challenge item. So let's see what we have in here. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am in love with these flowers that she does on her channel all the time, and they are a challenge item. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. I can't believe it. I'm so excited. Okay, so we've got a package of flowers and another package. Goodness, look at those colors. Let's see. Colors. Anyway, they're beautiful, and I'm super excited to get to use some of these. So that is one challenge item. Let's look in our other box that she sent me. Okay, so this is a challenge item, this little birdhouse from the Dollar Tree. About you guys, that my Dollar Tree has they get stuff and then it's gone the next day, and I'm having a really hard time finding anything, even for spring. Like, all the spring stuff is gone. All right, let's see. And my other challenge item is this mason jar. This is really cute. All right, so let's see what else she sent me here. I have some burlap ribbon. I love burlap. You guys know that. And ooh, these are cute. A little house with feathers in it. I'm not sure where these came from, if they came from the Dollar Tree, but my Dollar Tree never had any of these. A canvas. And my Dollar Tree doesn't have these either, the ones with the wood in the back of them. They just have the really tiny ones. Some rub-on transfers and some stickers. I love the Dollar Tree stickers. They have some amazing ones. And I don't think I've seen these ones before. So, great. Some chalkboard tags with the hearts, and the Dollar Tree calendar. I love this one. You guys, that one. That's the one with all the farmhouse ones, and I love bees, and this is like my favorite one. Thank you so much, Liz. This has been so fun. I'm so excited to get working on my project, so let's see what I come up with. For this project, I'm using some fence posts that came from Home Depot. We had a couple extra boxes in our garage. If you saw my Easter rustic video, they are similar to those fence posts. They come with 6 in a box, and I'm using 2 boxes today. For this project, I had my husband cut off the top like 6 inches to use for a different project in this video, and I am just using the bottom half to create a sign. So I'm gluing the 2 together, and then I'll glue those 2 sets of 2 together to have 4 across to make a wood planked sign. Then I'm going to take this mason jar, which was one of the challenge items for today's video, and I mixed up some of my agave chalk paint with some water to create a stain, and I'm just going to paint this stain onto this mason jar. I wanted it to have like that blue tint like some of the mason jars have. So once I get this all painted onto the mason jar, I'm then going to take my Antique Waverly wax and I'm going to go over all 4 of the planks on the front, the sides, and the back. Now that those are all dry, I went ahead and glued the mason jar onto the wood planks, and now I'm using some twine to put at the top of the sign to look like it's wrapped around the neck of the bottle. Then I decided to take one of the chalkboard tags that Liz sent me and I tied some twine just where the hole was and made just a bow, and then I glued it to look like it's hanging from the twine that's wrapped around the bottle. Once I have that all glued on, I'm going to use these awesome flowers that Liz sent me. They are the Sola Wood Flowers, and I'm just going to glue them up at the top so they look like they're a flower arrangement in the mason jar. I kind of played around with these. I laid them out just so I could kind of decide which ones to put where. These are so beautiful. I'm definitely going to have to pick some up on my own as well because they were just a lot of fun to work with today. But I just kind of randomly put them in there until my eyes were happy, and then I went ahead and glued them down. Once I have them all glued down, I decided that the top of this wood planks sign needed something else. So I decided to take some of the burlap ribbon that was also in the box, and I just made a little bow and I glued one of the flowers into the middle of the bow. Once I have that all attached to the sign, then this project is complete.
This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot and he has the same effect on me. It's just something about the way that he's making me feel. My insides are out, I just wanna shout his name. My body's giving up on me, cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but I'm trying not to stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hit him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out, and we got a little tipsy on us.
As I mentioned before, today's video is part of the Trade My Stash Mystery Box collab. There is also a $50 Amazon gift card giveaway. All you need to do is hop along to each one of our channels, leave a comment. You have a week to do so, and we will announce the winner on May 8th. Make sure after you're done watching my video, you go down to the description box, hop on over to see who I sent my box to and what wonderful things they came up with to create today. So we're going to use the tops of those wood pieces that we used in the previous project. There are 12 of these. I'm going to take my chippy brush and go with one coat with my white Waverly chalk paint. I'm going for a rustic look here, so it's okay if there is wood showing, and actually the more wood that's showing, better, because then it gives it a more weathered rustic look. I also painted one of those metal containers from the Dollar Tree. I took off the twine that was on the top and then just gave it 2 coats of my white Waverly chalk paint. So I'm ready to attach these wood pieces to the outside of the metal tin. I am using hot glue and some E6000 just to give it a more stable hold. They are going to meet at the bottom of the tin, so there's going to be space around the top of it where you can see the tin showing through the wood planks. I'm going to go ahead and glue them all around the tin. It actually only takes me about 10 of the wood pieces I wasn't sure, that's why I had went ahead and did all 12, but it actually only took 10. Once I have them all glued on there, I go ahead and wrap some twine around it and tie it in a bow. It doesn't really matter if you tie it in a bow because we're going to cover that part up. I'm taking the birdhouse that I got from Liz as a challenge item, and I'm going to go outside and spray it with my French linen Rust-Oleum paint. Once I have that, it only took one coat. I'm going to come back in here with my white Waverly chalk paint, and I'm going to go over the entire thing with the white Waverly chalk paint. And then I'm going to go ahead and glue it to where I tied the twine bow, right in front of the planter. Once I get that glued on there, I decided it's just too white and kind of getting lost, so I take my Antique Waverly wax and I go over the entire thing with my Antique Waverly wax. I did even fill in the holes that are at the top and the bottom where the bell was hanging and the metal piece was hanging. I put some hot glue in those dots and then I just painted over them. You'll see in the picture that it ends up looking like little knobs, like that's how it was attached to the planter. So once I get the Antique Waverly wax on here, then this project is complete.
Making me hot and he has the same effect on me. It's just something about the way that he's making me feel. My insides are out, I just wanna shout his name. My body's giving up on me, cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but I'm trying not to stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Catherine with A Perfect Place to Start. I love to do seasonal decor, Dollar Tree DIYs, home decor, and thrift to treasure. So if that's something you're into, I would love it if you went down, hit the subscribe button, and became a part of my YouTube family. So for this project, I took the love sign that was sent to me and I covered it in my Antique Waverly wax. And now I'm going to take my white chalk paint and I'm just going to dry brush over the entire thing to distress it. Next I took some twine and I wrapped it around like about 6 times around the entire wood block. This is also a piece of that fencing. It was just a leftover piece and my husband had been trying to play with what size we were going to cut it, and so this one got cut to a smaller size, so I decided it was perfect for this project. So like I said, I'm going to take the twine, I'm going to wrap it around about 6 times and then secure it in the back. Next, I'm just going to take the love sign, put some hot glue and attach it to the top, and then I'm going to take one more of those Sola Wood Flowers and glue it to the front, and then this project is complete.
The same effect on me. It's just something about the way that he's making me feel. My insides are out, I just wanna shout his name. My body's giving up on me, cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but I'm trying not to stare. I get a little sorry.
Thank you guys for joining me today. I had so much fun doing this video and these projects. They are definitely some of my most favorite projects I've ever made. Don't forget to go down to my description box, click on the part that says hop on over to the next video so you can see who I sent my box to and what really fun things they come up with today. As always, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start, and I will see you guys in the next video.
That I'm losing grip of myself. My body's giving up on me, 'cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but don't stare. I get a little